What is this idea of functional neurology and how does it affect children, teenagers, and young adults alike?
In traditional medicine, they really look at symptoms and symptom management. So just like the way functional medicine developed, that whole came about with Jeff Bland and early people basically looking at saying, we're just looking at symptom management, but we're moving towards chronic issues and chronic health issues. And we need to do more than just manage symptoms. We need to look at, can we prevent them or can we reverse them by knowing what the normal functional measurements and lab work should be and trying to target and get people there. We don't want to just address symptoms. We want to say, well, what's actually happening? What is the actual problem? And how do we measure those neurological functions and try to get people into the optimal functional range rather than just managing their symptoms? And that was the idea of functional neurology. It really started with trying to understand what is actually happening in the brain and the nervous system, and then how does that relate to the symptoms, and then how do we come up with therapies to get people into those targeted functional ranges and use functional measurements to guide the therapy rather than just symptom management.